Hi there, I'm Stefan Triano with ViewPoint, and today I'll be showing you how to set up the kiosk. So let me take everything out here, show you what comes in the box. Okay. So here we have our operating system. This is what's going to be running the kiosk. And let me explain what these cables do and show you how to connect them. Here we have our USB touch for touch support for the kiosk. And then HDMI cord for audio and video. A USB Wi-Fi dongle for Wi-Fi support. And power for powering the kiosk. So first I'll connect our USB touch to the back, to the USB port on the back here. Our Wi-Fi dongle to the other USB port on the back. And the small mini HDMI side will go to the mini HDMI port. And then we will connect our power cord. Next, I'll be showing you how to connect the kiosk to the monitor. So, I've already connected the device and powered it on, but please refer to your manual for the specifics of connecting the various cables and the ports they go to. So I'm going to set this back. Resting comfortably on the back here. Alright. So now I'm gonna make sure that the monitor is all set up. So we're going to go into the menu here, make sure that our video and audio settings are correct. Make sure that our video source is HDMI, because we're using an HDMI cord. And we'll go into the audio settings, and you'll want to make sure that the audio source is from the video source, because HDMI is both audio and video. And next, since we have Wi-Fi, we're going to want to configure Wi-Fi, and that's done in Windows by selecting the Wi-Fi icon in the bottom right here, and you'll want to connect to your network, whatever that is. Let's do an audio test here with the sound icon. I want to make sure that's right. If you're not getting any sound, you'll want to make sure by going into the menu here and going to playback devices. You want to make sure that your playback device is the monitor itself and not something like headphones or speakers or external speakers. Alright, and now let's go into our ViewPoint updater here. The updater is responsible for new versions of the kiosk player as well as new content. So we'll want to make sure that our settings, these are the default. So we have it checked for updates automatically every hour. So what this does is it will download new updates from the internet, and then this next setting, apply updates, that's when an installation of the new updates happens. So you'll want to set this at a time where there's not much activity, when you won't be having people using the kiosk, because this will result in a restart of the kiosk to make sure that all of the updates are installed. So probably want to set a time closer to the end of your day, like that. And next, we're going to have the ViewPoint player start automatically when the kiosk is restarted. This way, it's just a one-click process. You power on the kiosk, and it turns on the device, and it starts the player automatically. And let's see how that works. So I'm going to shut this down. We're going to restart it. Okay, it's booting up. Starting up Windows, logging on. Now a little script will run in the background. that will start the player. There we go. Okay, now we have the Kiosk player running. So that's how you set up the Kiosk. If you have any questions, please refer to the manual for our support line. Thank you, and have a nice day.